Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. While hitting the play option, the game is stuck on the installing Vanguard or is just keep on stucking at the playing option. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, right click on taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. From the left pane, click on Details tab and in the search box, type in Roid. Whatever the process are running related to Roid, right click and choose the option End Task. So make sure you must close each and every process related to Roid. After closing, click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now type here a command sc delete VGC and hit enter key. Second one is sc delete VG and hit the enter key. After doing these two commands, make sure to restart your PC, and once your system restart, open up this PC, C drive, program files and find a folder with the name Roid Vanguard. Right click on this folder and choose the option delete. Once the folder is deleted, close it. Now go ahead and relaunch your Roid client. Now log in using your user ID and password. Now once you are logged in, click on the option Valorant and right over here you will find the option of update install Vanguard as you are getting the error. So simply click on the option update. Now wait for few minutes and this Vanguard will install properly. So wait for few minutes. Once installed, as it is saying, you must restart your system. So go ahead, restart your system. After restarting, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now press the V key to find VGC service. Double click to open it. In startup type, make it automatic, and if it is stopped, click on the Start option to start the service at once. Once the service is started, hit apply, OK button, relaunch your Roid client and Valorant, and the issue of the game is not launching or stuck at the installing Vanguard will be completely fixed out. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.